Incoming device, the iPhone 6S, gray in color. The rear camera lens not appear to crack. The front camera lens not appear obstructed by any cracks. Take a look at the bottom device. The bottom two screws are present. The charging port is sitting snug. Our incoming charger 1.1 to 1.20 amperes, and the headphone jack is around the home button and Touch ID. Do work with the power button, volume button, and volume rocker. To give smooth feedback, it is at about 30-40% as a Verizon LTE device. Not able to test anything else since it does have a password on the device. We'll go ahead and check and see how much it is for an iPhone 6S with a good LCD and good digitizer.